I'm Allison Hession, and I represent District 5 on the Indiana Farm Bureau Young Farmers and Ag Professionals State Committee. I grew up in rural Pennsylvania. I have two parents that retired from New Holland agriculture, so have been around the manufacturing side of agriculture for quite a while, and then met my husband, and he's from Brownsburg, Indiana, where we live now, and has been involved in the family farm here for quite a while, ever since he was probably able to drive a tractor. So really got reintroduced and active in the farming lifestyle moving here in the Midwest. So here we grow corn and soybeans and occasionally wheat. So off the farm, I am a marketing associate for the U.S. business at Trout Nutrition for the swine and poultry team. I got involved in Farm Bureau well over 2 years now, and have been serving on the Hendricks County board since then, and now serving on the state committee. And I just am really excited to be involved in Farm Bureau and tell this agriculture story. There's just a lot to be told as far as where our food's coming from, the hands that are behind it, and it's great to have a voice in that. What stood out about serving on the Young Farmers and Ag Professionals State Committee for me is just getting to learn from my peers. I get to serve on the committee with people from all over the state and get to learn about their businesses, what they're doing on and off farm, and get to learn from them, as well as representing the state of Indiana and all that we have going on here in our great home state as well. I'm excited about the opportunity to get other young farmers and ag professionals interested in not only maybe serving on the committee down the road, but also getting involved in their local farm bureau, because there's a lot of young farmers and ag professionals that are out there that have a lot to tell as well, their story in agriculture. And so I'm hoping to get involved in that sense and recruit others to tell their story.